Yes, Leonard Springs Trail is 1.1 miles. This rugged, wood-chipped nature trail with steep slopes and stairs allows for views of wetlands, 2 caves, Shirley Springs, and several other natural wonders. Do you think Batman's in there?
I don't know, let's go see.
You know what happens when water trips over? Waterfalls. Have you noticed that? There's a lot of dead trees here. Does that mean we're in Deadwood? You're standing on the remains of the Leonard Springs Dam, 1915 and 1943. Is this a goddamn?
Hi.
By the late 1800s, it became obvious that wells could not supply enough water to the growing city of Bloomington from 1915 until 1943. The Leonard Spring Reservoir served for this purpose. Since limestone bedrock does not hold water, the Leonard Spring Reservoir was plagued by shortages. Indiana University had to ship water by train and considered moving out of Bloomington. Heated battles developed between Mayor John Harris, who wanted to expand Leonard Springs, and IU, who wanted to move the waterworks to Griffey Creek. After years of stalling, Harris was overruled. In 1924, Griffey Reservoir was established. Leonard Springs was maintained as a water supply until being abandoned in the 1940s. Shortly after the dam breach, during high water, the property was conveyed to the Bloomington Park and Recreation Department from the City of Bloomington Utilities in 1998. And there is the other cave.
Is Batman in there, John?
I don't know, is Batman in there? What kind of pants does a cave explorer wear? Stalactites. Today we hiked over a mile at Leonard Springs. We saw a spring and a waterfall, a wetland, and 2 caves. How was the hiking?
Good.
Well, describe better than good.
Spectacular.
Was it hard, difficult, moderate?
No, it wasn't hard.
The trail was not hard?
It was good. It was a nice hike.
It was a nice hike. Well, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.
Bye, everybody.